Well, luckily, this does not happen too commonly because I like to think about dermal fillers as something that's almost implanted in your body. Some of the materials can last up to 18 months or longer. So, with every single injection, I make sure that the skin is very thoroughly cleaned with an alcohol-based solution. And in between injections, if I happen to touch the area with my gloved hand, I always make sure and I cleanse the area again before the needle punctures the skin because, again, this material is in your body and it's important to make sure that it stays as sterile as possible. Dermal filler infections are not so common. If they do happen, then you will get a short course of antibiotics. It's also important to go back to your board certified injector because certain fillers have been noted to have delayed hypersensitivity reaction, which may look like an infection even months afterwards, even years after the injection. You might notice some redness or irritation or swelling in the area that you have the filler, and it's important to distinguish the two. If it's shortly right after, it could be either an infection or a reaction. And in the beginning, it'd be difficult to tell the two apart. Infections tend to hurt more. And if it's later on and you're pretty certain that it's a filler reaction, then I might prescribe a short dose of steroids.